to redistribute toilet paper to your neighbors when you've been needlessly hoarding it. First, put on a disguise, like a camouflage morph suit, ghillie suit, or a fake mustache. This way, your neighbors won't suspect you as the local toilet paper hoarder. Next, place a fishing pole, fishing line, tackle, and toilet paper rolls in a backpack with secure straps. Rappel up your neighbor's chimney in the dead of night. At dawn, rig your fishing pole and attach the toilet paper roll to the barb of the hook. Slowly lower the roll down your neighbor's chimney. Jiggle the fishing rod for several hours until your neighbor notices it and removes it from the hook. Repeat for several days. If you don't have a fishing rod, try building a series of weather balloons attached to toilet paper rolls and floating them towards your neighbor's home, or modifying a t-shirt cannon to shoot toilet paper rolls from long distances. According to our toilet paper expert, Plum Burr Lover, hiding toilet paper in your neighbor's trees and bushes is an especially thoughtful way to redistribute it. Whatever method you use, be sure to stay 6 feet away from your neighbor's high-touch surfaces and belongings at all times. Take a deep breath, smile, and remember, even if you're caught hoarding toilet paper by your neighbors, everything will be okay.